Hey everyone, welcome back to Lesson 5. Today, we're diving into a massive, absolutely critical topic for keeping your digital life safe. We're talking about firewalls. Let's just jump right in.
So let me ask you a quick question. Would you just leave the front door of your house wide open and let literally anyone walk in without checking who they are? No way, right? That'd be crazy. So why on earth would you let anyone enter your digital network without checking?
Well, that is exactly where a firewall comes in. You can think of it kind of like a super tough security guard for your network. It stands right there at the door, right between your private digital stuff and the wild, unpredictable outside world of the internet.
Picture a literal flaming brick wall right in the middle of your connection. It sits directly between your safe local area network, or LAN, and the massive public wide area network, the WAN. It's literally the wall keeping your safe zone, well, safe. Okay, let's get official for just a second. The actual definition of a firewall is software or hardware that prevents unauthorized access to a network. Basically, it's your ultimate barrier. It's designed to stop unauthorized users, people who have zero business being there, from getting their hands on your private data. Think of the firewall as a highly secure checkpoint. Every single piece of data that's trying to get in or out of your network, which, by the way, we call traffic, is stopped and inspected right there. Seriously, nothing sneaks past this guard. But here's the thing. The firewall isn't just randomly guessing who to let in or keep out. It checks incoming data, it checks outgoing data, and most importantly, it follows very strict network rules. These rules are like a master rulebook set up by network administrators to decide exactly what's safe and what definitely isn't.
And it makes this super fast binary decision. Step 1, if the data is trusted and follows the rules, it's allowed right through. But step 2, if it looks even a little suspicious or breaks a rule, boom, it gets instantly blocked and rejected. Plus, you usually get a notification that something sketchy just tried to happen.
So the really crucial point here is knowing what the firewall is actually looking for, right? Like, what is it stopping? Well, it's blocking unauthorized users, aka hackers, from breaking into your system. It's stopping dangerous files like malware or viruses from downloading. And it can actually even filter out access to specific unsafe websites entirely, just so you don't accidentally click into a trap.
All right, so we know what they do. Now let's quickly look at the two main types of firewalls.
Let's compare them side by side. On one hand, we have hardware firewalls. These usually sit at the router level and protect the entire network, so it's kind of like having a guard for your whole house. On the other hand, we have software firewalls. These are pre-installed right into your operating system and protect just a single device. So think of a software firewall as a personal bodyguard just for your specific laptop or phone.
Now, why does all this matter so much? Check out this intense number, 11 seconds. Back in 2021, experts estimated that organizations suffered a ransomware attack every 11 seconds. That is wild, right? It really just shows you exactly how real these threats are and why having this security checkpoint is totally non-negotiable.
And you guys, it gets crazier. 2 seconds. Experts are warning that by 2031, they expect a new cyber attack to happen every 2 seconds. Literally, every time you blink, another attack. This makes our digital security guards more important now than ever before. Because hackers are constantly trying to break in, day and night. Your firewall stands strong as your absolute first line of defense. Before your antivirus kicks in, before anything else, the firewall is standing right there at the front door, taking all the heat. Okay, time for a rapid-fire recap to lock all this into your memory. Here we go. Firewalls sit right between your safe LAN and the public WAN. They use strict rules to either allow or block traffic. Hardware firewalls protect entire networks, while software firewalls act as a personal shield for individual devices. Boom. If you remember only one thing from today's explainer, make it this. Check before you connect. That is the golden rule. Firewalls make sure absolutely everything is checked and verified before it connects to your digital world. So, I'm going to leave you with this final, kind of provocative thought. Is your software firewall turned on right now? Seriously, when this explainer ends, I challenge you to go straight into your settings and make sure your personal bodyguard is actually active. Remember, protect, filter, defend. Great job today, everyone. Stay safe online, and I'll see you in the next lesson.